Here at Economy Glass, we are cutting, polishing and installing mirrors of various sizes on a daily basis. These come in a range of different shapes and installation methods for various applications. Whether it's a bathroom mirror or an expansive yoga studio, we have you covered. Now, I believe mirrors truly do have the capacity to change any home environment if used correctly, and especially with the right home decor. More often than not, it's not about making the mirror the biggest and most obvious piece in the room, but more about letting it blend in unobtrusively into the surrounding environment to create the illusion of a much bigger space without highlighting it. We love large and complex mirror installations, and the feeling of a successful project and changing a customer's space is really rewarding. I am Gene Graham and I'm the owner and operator here at Economy Glass in Harper's Crossing.